Jimin? Okay. Look in your book. Can you tell the title of this book?
Wish for the Stars.
Wish for the Stars. Okay. Who is the main character? Who is wishing for the stars?
The praying mantis.
Yes, the praying mantis is wishing for the stars. Okay. Open your book to page 8. Let's read.
The animal friend followed the sound. They came to a tree. There was a hole in the tree. They looked inside. They could see Mantis in their rocking horn. They could see him hammer and saw. But in making a ladder was for to reach the star. Finally, Mantis' book was down. Here, help me. For the ladder, please. Pull. The animal was surprised. They scratched their hand. The ladder keeps coming. There was no end to it.
Good job.